and a one-timer scores!
We've had tickets in the past, season's tickets at Canucks and different venues. This problem that we had with those was there's only 2 seats. So for the value, we can get more seats, more people bring their wives, bring their kids, bring their families all together, and that's where we saw the value in doing what we do. The fact that you're bringing everybody. It's always a little bit awkward when you have 2 seats. Are you taking one person, or are you giving both of them to the client? And then you're not there. So it's just a gift. You're not really participating or chatting with them at the event. So that's why we decided to do this, and it's worked out really good. It's where our employees are from, so all those things make sense. Well, I mean, Dale in particular has gone out of his way to work with us in regards to business opportunities with the Giants and outside of the Giants. So that's been great. We've been improving on our First Nations relationships as a company, and Dale has really helped in that aspect of our business. So I think it's been positive for sure.